Good morning, welcome to the Market View for Wednesday the 13th of August 2014. In the 30-minute chart yesterday, we can see that we've had a rise in the market, which is nice to see after so long of not having any signals or decent signals. We can see that we had a successful trade. Prior to this, we had a sell, and earlier on in the session around 8:30 we also had a buy signal as well. This one not qualifying. So at 13:30 we see the market giving a buy signal, and also prices following, continuing to move higher. And it's only when you put on the 20 pip scalp you can see that there wasn't too much in the trade. However, the maximum that was available from the entry price up to the high is 28 pips, but 28 pips is better than nothing which we've had of late, so I'm not complaining. Just saying there that there's a bit of movement. 28 pips max, 20 pips certainly available on the table. And if you were trailing the stop, you would have actually been stopped out. And so let me just show you this. If I go to markup, whether you're using 50 or 100, you will see that the market went through the scalp with a 50% there. You can see that it just doesn't take it out. So having to voluntarily come out before the close in the evening would give you around the 25 pips there. So a reasonable day yesterday. It's like I say, it looks better than it actually was, but then it's better than it has been of late as well. So again, I'm not complaining. In the 60-minute chart, we also had the buy signal. You can see that there as well. And again, this one trading up to the scalp. And that's about it in the 60-minute, of course, because of the time difference there. In the daily charts, you can see the buying coming into the market. There's no surprise to us, really. We're at the 76% retracement here. And again, the market's just closing above the 168 level there. And the market just trading sideways on this at the moment. If the prices are to move higher, then you could expect some resistance at these levels. The first will be at the 76% retracement here of 168.16, which you can see the market more or less traded up to yesterday. And then the second one, just for the time being, from this high to this low, will be around 168.36. So that's what you could expect there as well if the market does start to move higher. So I'll just save this so we've got them for tomorrow. In the news, we've got quite a bit out this morning. We've got the unemployment news for the UK this morning at 9:30, average earnings index, unemployment rate and claimant count change, all out at 9:30 this morning. And then over to the Carney's going to speak this morning, so we'll be saying one thing and then contradicting it 20 minutes later, as he normally does. So that's 10:30 for Carney, the inflation report, and core retail sales for the US out at 1:30, and retail sales also. And that's it, but that's enough for today. That should actually give the market a bit of a kick today, certainly from the unemployment count change. So I wouldn't actually consider, if there's no signals before 9:30, not getting in on a 9:30 one, because it just depends what Carney's got to say. It could go either way, and definitely a high impact news item. Well, it would be normally, but we are in the school holidays as well, so you just don't know. The market may not even react at all. It's a very difficult one to say, but just to err on the side of cautiousness, I would certainly consider staying out of the market while he speaks today. And meanwhile, in the Dow Jones, yesterday another quiet day. You can see this in the price chart there. The market's still struggling at the 16,584 level, and really just generally a very quiet day after Friday's 185-point rise there. The market has traded around 70 points per trading session in the last 2 days, so fairly quiet there for the Dow. In the implied volatility, it's moved lower, down to 1187 from 1267 yesterday, and 9.78 for the historic. You can see this in the chart once again, that this is moving lower, but then again that's reflected in the fact that the market is actually sideways for the last 2 days. So we'll see what Carney has to say today, now the market reacts to this also later on this afternoon as well. Right, well, that's it for this morning, and all things being equal, see you in tomorrow's market view. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. Let's hope that today has set or rather yesterday's trading has set a precedent to see the markets move around it a bit more. And as ever, thanks for watching.